Look at these amazing giant surprise eggs!
Look at those giant surprise eggs!
They're so big! What's inside? Let's open the red egg first. What do you think is inside? Look! It's starting to crack! Oh my! Here it comes! Wow! A big red fire truck! It has a ladder and cool lights. Now let's try the blue egg. I wonder what's in this one. The cracks are getting bigger. A huge cuddly teddy bear. He's so soft and fluffy. Look at the sunny yellow egg. This one looks extra special. Wow! Such a bright light. Amazing colorful building blocks. Let's build something tall. The green egg looks magical. Do you hear something moving? It's opening like a flower. A friendly TOY dinosaur. He likes to eat green leaves. The biggest egg of all. I can't wait to see. The cracks are enormous. This is so amazing. So many cool toy vehicles. Cars, trucks, planes, and boats. Zoom! The airplane is flying. Look at all these surprises. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.